Here's a solution to problem 3.2.59 from Rockswold's algebra. So the problem is to graph this linear equation, 4x plus 5y equals 20. Linear equations like this are easiest to graph when they're in slope-intercept form. So let's put this into slope-intercept form. And the way to do that is just to solve for y. So we need to start by isolating y here. So let's see, let's get this 4x out of the way. So subtract 4x, subtract 4x. We get 5y equals negative 4x plus 20. Next, to isolate y, we need to divide by 5. Divide by 5. So we get y equals negative 4 over 5, that's just negative 4 over 5 times x, plus, and then 20 over 5, that's 4. Okay, so this is slope-intercept form right here. And of course, the nice thing about slope-intercept form is that just by looking at it, you can tell what the slope is. The slope is the number that's multiplying x here. And of course, the minus sign is part of the slope. So the slope is negative 4 over 5. And the other nice thing about slope-intercept form is that the y-coordinate of the y-coordinate of the y-intercept is right here. So the y-intercept, its y-coordinate will be 4. All right, so now we can go ahead and graph this line. So on the y-axis, we're looking for 4. So that's right here. Okay, and now our slope is negative 4 over 5. And we can write that as negative 4 divided by 5. And remember, slope is change in x divided by change in y. That's totally backwards. Why don't I fix that? That's change in y over change in x. That's more like it. Okay, so since our slope is negative 4 over 5, the change in y is going to be negative 4. And remember, that means down 4. And the change in x is going to be 5. So starting at the y-intercept, it is important that you start at the y-intercept that you just plotted. We're going to go over 5 to the right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that puts us here. Okay, now we can do it again. Over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and down 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so our line is going to pass through these points, so it's going to be something like this. It's a little hard to draw accurately on this tablet, but you get the idea, something like that. So there is the graph of the line 4x plus 5y equals 20. If you're doing this problem online, your numbers might be different, but the ideas will be the same.